everybody. Today we're going to be in Quebec City. We're just pulling into the port, and we'll turn around here a little bit and you can see the hotel up on the hill, which is the Frontenac, the most photographed hotel in the world. So we're going to be doing a walking tour, so let's take a look. Quebec City is the capital city of the Canadian province of Quebec. It is the second largest city of Quebec after Montreal. Its name comes from an Algonquin word meaning where the river narrows, because the St. Lawrence River gets narrow here where it meets the mouth of the St. Charles River. Explorer Samuel de Champlain founded a French settlement here in 1608, making it one of the oldest European cities in North America. The city's landmarks include the Chateau Frontenac and the Citadel of Quebec, which is located high above the city. The city has numerous ramparts, which are the only remaining fortified city walls in North America, north of Mexico. We had to stop by the Chateau Frontenac. This place opened in 1893 and was designated a National Historic Site of Canada in 1981. It has 611 guest rooms and has suites named after Alfred Hitchcock and Celine Dion. They make their own honey on their rooftop garden, which is used by the hotel's restaurants. Some of the items featured on the restaurant menu include caribou from Finland, sturgeon from New Brunswick, and, for those 12 and under, organic salmon. The old Quebec Funicular links the upper town to the lower town. It opened in 1879 and had a major renovation in 1998. It climbs at a 45-degree angle and covers a total distance of 210 feet. The Governor's Promenade goes from the waterfront up to the Citadel, which is still an active military installation and the secondary official residence of both the Canadian monarch, Queen Elizabeth, and the Governor-General of Canada. There are 310 steps from the bottom to the top. We happened to be there during the Quebec Grand Prix bicycle race. 18 teams made up of the best bicycle riders on the planet went 16 laps around the hilly course throughout the city. Spoiler alert, a guy from Australia won. If you ever get a chance to go to Quebec City, by all means take it. It's like going to Europe, but you don't have to cross an ocean to get there. Hope you enjoyed my video, and please subscribe so you can see my next adventure. Thanks for watching.